Hey everyone! Today I want to share a wonderful story about Joanne Ross and how she turned her credit situation around with the help of Australian Credit Solutions. Joanne was in a tough spot with 2 defaults on her credit report. She knew something had to change if she wanted to achieve her financial goals. Enter Australian Credit Solutions. Joanne decided to give their credit repair services a shot, and boy, was she glad she did. She was paired with Jemima, a credit repair specialist who guided her every step of the way. Jemima worked tirelessly to remove those pesky defaults from Joanne's credit report, and the results? Truly impressive. Joanne left us this fantastic review on a verified product review website. I had an excellent experience with Australian Credit Solutions. Their credit repair service is truly impressive. Jemima assisted me throughout the process and helped remove 2 defaults from my credit report. Thanks to their dedicated work, I'm now able to apply for my loan soon. I highly recommend them for anyone needing credit repair services. Isn't that amazing? At this point, Joanne realized her financial freedom was within reach. She felt a wave of relief and excitement. Thanks to Jemima and the team at Australian Credit Solutions, Joanne is now back on track and ready to apply for her loan. It's stories like Joanne's that remind us why we do what we do. So, if you're struggling with your credit report, don't lose hope. Reach out to Australian Credit Solutions today and let them help you achieve your financial dreams. Thanks for watching, and remember, no credit challenge is too big to overcome with the right support. See you next time.